Hello students, today I am going to start with the class 9th topic remainder theorem. Before discussing remainder theorem, let us see what is remainder. I am taking some natural numbers 15, 16, 17 and 18. Dividing all the numbers by 3 and let's see what remainder we are getting. If I divide 15 by 3, it will go 5 times and we will get remainder as 0. If we divide 16 by 3, it will again go 5 times, 3 5s are 15 and get remainder as 1. If you divide 17 by 3, you will get remainder as 2. If you divide 18 by 3, you will get remainder as 0 again. Means if you continue same process by taking consecutive numbers and keep on dividing, you will get remainder as 0 1 2, 0 1 2 and 0 1 2. So we come to a conclusion that wherever we are dividing, remainder is always लेस देन द डिवाइजर. जो रिमाइंडर होता है वो हमेशा डिवाइजर से छोटा होगा, उसके बराबर भी नहीं आएगा या उससे बड़ा नंबर नहीं आता है. सो रिमाइंडर इज ऑलवेज लेस देन डिवाइजर. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इन द पॉलिनोमियल? इफ रिमाइंडर इज जीरो वी से दैट द डिवाइजर इज मल्टीपल ऑफ द डिविडेंड. अगर रिमाइंडर जीरो आता है तो हम कहते हैं डिवाइजर को मल्टीपल ऑफ द डिविडेंड, the factor of the dividend, and the dividend is multiple of divisor. ठीक है. Let us take one example of polynomial I have taken here and find out its remainder. Then we come to conclusion of remainder theorem. I am using old long division method by which we are finding the remainder of the given polynomial. We have to divide p of x by g of x. So p of x is dividend and g of x will become what? Divisor. You all know that how many times it will go? It will go 3x times. So multiply 3x to both the numbers. 3x into x, you will get 3x square, and 3x into 1, you all get 3x. Then we do the subtraction. As we all know that after subtraction sign changes. 3x square get cancelled. X minus 3x, you will get minus 2x. And minus 1 will take down. Now see degree. We have to check the degree of the dividend. Here degree of the dividend is 1. Here degree of divisor is 1. It is same. If it is less than 1, if the degree of dividend is less than degree of divisor, we have to stop the division process. अगर डिविडेंड की डिग्री डिवाइजर की डिग्री से छोटी हो जाती है तो हम क्या करेंगे? डिवीजन को स्टॉप कर देंगे. अब यहाँ पर छोटी नहीं हुई है, इट इज इक्वल. Both degree has 1, so it will go minus 2 times. Minus 2 into x, you will get minus 2x, and minus 2 into 1, you will get minus 2. Then we do the subtraction. Again sign changes. This will get cancelled out. Now minus 1 plus 2, you will get 1 as remainder. This is the old division method. Now in this, what is dividend? Dividend is 3x square plus x minus 1. Divisor x plus 1. Quotient 3x minus 2 and remainder is 1. You have studied in lower classes that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You have studied in lower class. Now if you want to check this answer, what you will do? You just go on multiply this number with this number and add 1. You will get p of x. Okay. Now what is remainder theorem? Remainder theorem क्या है और उसका क्या फायदा है कि क्यों हम इसका इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग दिस डिवीजन? बिना लॉन्ग डिवीजन किए अगर आपको किसी पॉलिनोमियल का रिमाइंडर पता करना है, ठीक है, तो हम ये रिमाइंडर थ्योरम यूज करते हैं. I will apply first remainder theorem, then I'll explain what is the meaning of remainder theorem. Let us see how to apply remainder theorem. First of all, I will take the divisor as equal to 0, and we will find the value of x. Divisor g of x, you will have to take g of x equal to 0. So x plus 1 will become 0. You will get x value as minus 1. Now simply substitute x value in the given polynomial. Whatever will we get value of p of minus 1, that is what? Remainder. अब हम क्या करेंगे, जो x का वैल्यू आया है वो सिंपली p ऑफ x में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे, जो उसका सॉल्व करने पे वैल्यू आएगा वही क्या होता है रिमाइंडर, और यहाँ पे चेक करेंगे कि वेदर आवर आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट। नाउ लेट्स सी p of -1. In last video I have taught you how to find p of -1. Simply substitute in place of x as -1. You will get 3 into -1 square, then -1, then -1. Okay. Do solving. 3 into -1 square, that is 3. -1 square is 1, so 3 into 1 1, -2. So you will get 1 as remainder. You can check with here. When I did the long division method, we got the same remainder, and when we applied remainder theorem, we got the same remainder. So tell me which method is easier to find remainder. I think this method is more easier than this one. Okay. If it is asked to find remainder using long division method, you have to follow this method. If it is not asked to do find remainder by any particular method, then I will recommend you all to continue by this method. This is very easy, more effective method also. Okay. Now see we'll see what is remainder theorem. First of all, let p of x be any polynomial. I am taking p of x as any polynomial and of degree greater than 1, and let g of x, let a be any constant. Okay, I repeat again, let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than 1. Means dividend का जो polynomial है it should have a degree more than 1, and let a be any constant, that is for real number. Okay, if p of x is divided by g of x, that is for linear polynomial, means I am taking linear polynomial as x minus a, then the value of p of a is what? The remainder. समझ में आया? थोड़ा सा रिपीट करता हूँ हिंदी में. p of x एक कोई polynomial लेते हैं और g of x कोई polynomial लेते हैं, तो p of x की डिग्री क्या होनी चाहिए? ग्रेटर देन 1 होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. Then for any real number a, if p of a is what? Remainder. p of a, देखिए जैसे g of x लिया था मैंने, इसको सॉल्व किया, वैल्यू बनाया, ये -1 क्या है? एक रियल नंबर है. अब इस रियल नंबर को हमने पॉलिनोमियल सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, जो आंसर आया वो क्या हो गया? आपका रिमाइंडर. फॉर एनी रियल नंबर a, if x minus a is what? Remainder, then p of a is what? Remainder. ठीक है. x minus a अगर डिवाइजर है तो p of a क्या आएगा? रिमाइंडर. if I am taking x plus a as divisor, then p of minus a will be what? Remainder. I hope you all understood. Now we will do the exercise. I request you all to pause this video and note it down. Now let us see examples based on remainder theorem from exercise 2.3. In the first example, we have to find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by this all the 5 examples. Okay, one by one we have to take as a divisor and find the remainder. When p of x, first part I am taking, when p of x, that is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1, we have to find the remainder. So what I said, we have to take the divisor equal to 0. मतलब g of x equal to 0 लेंगे हम लोग. g of x means the our divisor. So g of x, that is x plus 1 equal to 0. So we will get x value as -1. ठीक है. तो रिमाइंडर क्या होगा? p of -1 will be the remainder. In this case, p of half will be the remainder. In this case, x p of 0 will be the remainder. In this case, p of -5 will be the remainder. समझ में आया? ये सब डिफरेंट डिवाइजर्स हैं, डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करेंगे हम लोग? डिवाइजर्स को इक्वल टू 0 करेंगे और x का वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. वही x का वैल्यू पॉलिनोमियल में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे, तो जो आंसर आएगा दैट विल बी व्हाट? रिमाइंडर ऑफ द गिवन पॉलिनोमियल. सो हियर p of -1 we have to find out. So कैसे मिलेगा? In place of x just substitute -1. So you will get -1 cube plus 3 into -1 square plus 3 into -1 plus 1. Okay, now -1 cube is -1. 3 into -1 square will be 1. So 3 into 1, that is 3. Now 3 into minus 3, that will be minus 3 and plus 1. Okay, so 3 minus 3 0, minus 1 plus 1 0. So you get answer as 0. Therefore we'll say P of minus 1 equals to 0. In next exercise we will learn how to find factor or factor theorem we will learn. Okay. Now I want to just give one example of that because it is here only. If we are getting remainder as 0, we'll say the g of x is factor of the given polynomial. तो इस केस में आपने देखा कि रिमाइंडर 0 आया, तो g of x जो डिवाइजर है that will be factor of the given polynomial. ठीक है. Now see the second question which is x minus half. तो पहला स्टेप क्या बताया मैंने? We will take x minus half equal to 0. For it, what we will do? We will take the given divisor equal to 0 and find the value of x. That is x will be 1 by 2. Now we will substitute x value in the given polynomial, which is p of half. So half power power 3 plus 3 into half square plus 3 into half then plus 1. Simply जहाँ जहाँ x है वहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, x का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया. Half power 3 that will be what 1 by 8 and half power 2 that will be 1 by 4 and half power 1 that is half only, so 3 by 2 plus 1. So we got 1 by 8, 3 by 4, 3 by 2 plus 1. Now find the LCM of the denominator. Now LCM of the 8, 4, 2 that will be 8 only. So multiply both by 8. So you will get 1 plus 4, 3 to the 6. Here 3 4s are 12 plus 8 upon 8. I hope you understood. I have taken what LCM of the denominator and multiply कर दिया 8 से. So 8 in 8 will cancel. Here 2 3 2s are 6. Here 4 3 4s are 12 plus 8 into 1 8. Now add on the denominator. 12 plus 8 20 plus 6 26 plus 1 27. So answer will be 27 upon 8. We will write like this: P of half is equal to 27 upon 8. Now question number 3. Here x is the divisor. So what we will do? We will take x equal to 0. And so we will put in place of x 0 here. And remainder will be 1 only. I think you can solve it by own. Now let us take fourth part. In the fourth part we will take x as x plus, divisor as x plus pi. Divisor is what? X plus pi. तो क्या नियम बताया मैंने सबसे पहले? We have to take divisor equal to 0. Divisor equal to 0 करेंगे and then we'll find the value of x which is minus pi. Then to get remainder we have to substitute x value where? In the p of x. So p of x मतलब p of minus pi cube minus pi cube plus 3 into minus pi square plus 3 into minus pi and plus 1. जहाँ जहाँ x था वहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया? pi. जो वैल्यू x का वो सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया. So this will become minus pi cube. Here this will become plus 3 pi square. Here this will become minus 3 pi plus 1. Can we add all these numbers? We cannot add them because they all are different numbers, or you can say they are unlike terms, not like terms. So we cannot add them. So this is our remainder. Now simply this one 5 plus 2x. Again what we will do? We will take 5 plus 2x equal to 0 and we will find out value of x that will be minus 5 by 2 and we will substitute over here to get the remainder. I hope you all understood this question. Please pause this video and note it down. We will do the next question. Now let us see last two questions of the exercise. In this question, for second question, find remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. This is similar to the previous question. In the third question, we have to check whether 7 plus 3x is factor of 3x cube plus 7x or not. Okay, as I said in 5 minutes ago, what I said, after dividing, if we get remainder as 0 or remainder of any polynomial becomes 0, then we say it is a factor. Divisor is a factor of given polynomial. Okay. So what is g of x here? जिससे जो डिवाइजर होता है उसको हम g of x लेते हैं. So g of x is here x minus a, and dividend we have to take as a p of x. P of x is x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a, and we have to find remainder when this polynomial is divided by this. So क्या बताया मैंने रूल? We will take g of x equal to 0. G of x equal to 0 लेंगे and find the value of x. So value of x is a. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute this x value in the given polynomial, which is p of x. So in other words, we have to find out the value of p of a. So p of a will be a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. Now just go on solving this. A cube minus a cube plus 6a minus a. This will become 0 and we'll get 6a minus a, which is 5a. So 5a is our remainder. That was asked in this question. Find the remainder when this is divided by this. In the third question, we have to check whether 7 plus 3x, this divisor, is factor of this. तो कब factor होगा मैंने बताया आपको, when we get remainder as 0. So what we will do? We will take divisor as g of x. Divisor को g of x ले लेंगे, which is 7 plus 3x, and dividend as p of x. क्या है? 3x cube plus 7x. Then next step. In next step we will take divisor equal to 0. मतलब g of x equal to 0 लेंगे. Let g of x equal to 0. That is 7 plus 3x equal to 0, and we will find the value of x. So value of x will be minus 7 upon 3. I hope you have understood that. Now we will substitute this x value in p of x. If we get p of x equal to 0, then we will say the divisor is factor of given polynomial. So we have to find out value of p of minus 7 by 3 by putting in place of x as minus 7 by 3. So 3 into minus 7 by 3 cube into 7 into minus 7 by 3. What I did here, I just substituted value of x in place of x. Okay. Now solve it further. This will become 3 into 7 cube. You all know that. So 343. That will be minus only. And 3 cube will be 27. And this into 7 I think is plus over here. So plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. Now solve it. 3 9s are 27. Okay. So we get minus 343 upon 9, and here minus 49 upon 3. So are we getting 0 over here? Both numbers are negative. Both numbers are negative. So we will add the numbers together because दोनों जुड़ेंगे, or we will not get answer 0. So we will directly write not equal to 0. No need to solve it further. Since both numbers are negative, so they will not become 0 anyhow. दोनों का जोड़ करेंगे तो नेगेटिव आ रही 0 आ नहीं सकता. ठीक है. So we'll say not equal to 0. Therefore we'll write what? This is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So we'll write therefore 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. That's your answer. Thank you for watching this video. Next video we will learn factor